Okay, friends, this video is going to be on finding the rate per item when the person is being paid by the piece as piecework. So I forgot to load this. Here we go. So finding rate per item from piecework. So first of all, let's go over here to our notes, and we're in standard 1 gross pay, but we are right here where we talk about piecework. And it is to find the rate per item. So we're going to take the total amount of money the person is paid, and we are going to divide it by the number of pieces the number of items the person produces. So how many items were they able to make for that amount of money? So if we read our first question here, I'll make this a little bit bigger. If we read our first question, it says that last month Daniel Taylor earned $12,267.90 for being able to clear 86 acres of brush from a portion of land being developed. How much money was Daniel paid for each acre of brush that he cleared? So he cleared 86 acres, and for clearing 86 acres, he was paid $12,000. So we're going to grab our calculator. And again, whenever you grab a calculator, rather you get one off the wall in class or you do the online version here, you want to make sure that your calculator is always in mode 2, because you want your calculator rounding everything to the nearest cent. Because in consumer math, we want to the nearest penny. So we're going to go over and change float to 2. That's 2 places after the decimal point. That's to the nearest cent or the nearest penny. So we have that happening. So all we're going to do is we're going to take the amount of money that Daniel earned. And Daniel earned $12,267.90. And he earned that money by clearing 86 acres of brush. So if we take the amount of money he earned and divide it by how much work he did, then we found out for every acre of brush he was able to clear, he was paid $142.65. So for every acre of brush that Daniel cleared, he made $142.65. He did that with 86 acres of brush, therefore he earned $12,000. Okay, so question number 2, same idea. We want to find the rate per item. So again, if we double check our notes, rate per item is how much money you make altogether, divided by how many pieces you were able to produce. So how much did you get paid divided by how much you produced? So in this particular problem, Jermaine works at a local car repair shop. He specializes in replacing brakes. The owner of the shop pays Jermaine a certain amount of money per brake job. So that's how he's paid. Do a brake job, you make this much money, okay? This month, Jermaine earned $5,391.50 for installing 82 brake jobs. So he replaced 82 sets of brakes, and for doing 82 brake jobs, he earned $5,000. So we're going to take the $5,391.50 that Jermaine earned, and we're going to say, what did he earn that money for? He earned it for completing 82 brake jobs. So if he did 82 brake jobs and earned $5,300, then every brake job, he was paid $65.75. So that's what he earned for replacing a set of brakes on an automobile. So if he wanted to do just one brake job in a day, then he would get paid $65.75. He did 82 brake jobs, and he earned $5,391 for doing those 82 brake jobs. Okay, question 3. Question 3 says, again, find the rate per piece produced. This month, Raul earned $6,845.88 after producing 356 pieces. We don't know what it is that Raul is producing, but he made 356 of them. So he made 356 pieces. He created 356 pieces, and for that he was paid this much money. So we're going to take the amount of money that he earned total, the $6,845.88, And we're going to divide it because the notes tell us that we are going to divide total pay divided by numbers produced. We're going to divide by what was he able to accomplish. He was able to accomplish 356 pieces. So he completed 356 pieces. So what was one piece? One piece was $19.23. So if he came in and did one piece and one piece only, he got paid $19.23. For every piece he created or every piece he produced, he got $19.23. This month, Raul came to work and he hammered out 356 pieces. He produced 356 pieces and was paid $6,000. So this is how much he earns. Okay? So if this amount of money, that $6,845.88, is a normal month for Raul, in other words, every month Raul comes in and he is able to do 356 pieces, he is able to earn $6,000. If he does that every month, then how much will he earn this year? So this takes us back to what we did earlier this semester, and that is to find straight time pay, and that is straight multiplication. So what we're going to do is we're going to take what he earned this month. He earned $6,845.88. And how many times did he do that? He did that every month of the year. He did that in January. He did that in February. He did that in March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. He did that 12 months out of the year. So in 12 months, every one of those 12 months, he made $6,800. So at the end of the year, if we look at his earnings for the year, his earnings for the year is $82,150.56. So that is what Raul earns in a year. This is what Raul earns in a month. And this is what Raul earns for every piece he creates. All right, my friends, that is it. If you have any questions whatsoever, be sure to ask me in class or send me an email. Everybody have a great day.